Hello, what's up, everybody? Toyosi Ogumwale is my name. Welcome to my channel. It's good to see you here. I do hope you love this video. And in today's video, the purpose is to help many of us out there who have a few questions, about what is up with AI marketing, especially for those who are asking the question, when will my old cashback be returned? Or when would I be able to access it? Those of us who have these questions and more, this is the video for you. So I would advise that you stay till the end. Okay, so let's get right into it. Now, a few weeks ago, in August to be precise, AI marketing kicked back up with new advertising campaigns. Now, with new advertising campaigns, what it means is people who top up are fresh. In short, the robot began to work for fresh advertising budgets. So that kicked off, and then what kicked off next was restarting of old accounts with old advertising budgets. So when the restart happened, what it meant was we had like how do I even put it now? A brief, okay, a brief of what your account used to look like before the shutdown, before the break. All of the statistics were recalculated and placed right under our advertising budgets. Okay, I'm trying to log into AI marketing right now, and we know that sometimes we can't access it and we need to use the incognito browser. So that's what I'm doing. So when you log in, if you're one of those who have been running your account before July 15th, you'll be able to understand what I'm saying. So all accounts were recalculated based on what you had as your old advertising budget, what was spent, what was unspent, and all that. So right after the recalculation, what we then had is a summary of previous campaigns right beneath your virtual card. Now, I've explained this in videos, earlier videos, but I will just go ahead and do this again. Now, this is a summary of what used to be on my account. I used to have a pending cashback of $1,122 and a mature cashback of $361. So now, when you see this beneath your card, please, please, and please, there is no fret because they have restarted your account. When your account has already been recalculated and then they start it back up, you would not have anything on the card. That is why everything is being displayed here. So a number of people have been coming to me asking, when will I have access to my previous cashback? The monies I'd made before July the 15th. Now, the answer to this is you just have to be patient because the court proceedings are yet to be done with. What I mean is that we all know that the issue that came up July 15th had to do with the Russian government, and so air marketing is trying to sort that out. And so while that is still in progress legally, the intention, what AI marketing has said to us is, if the court proceedings is taking too long, they will just go ahead and use this right here, the protect account funds, to pay all that you had earned before the break. Okay, understand me clearly. You're asking yourself, when do I have access to my cashback? The honest answer to that is, I don't know. That's from me right now. But with the information I have from AI marketing, while they are trying to sort out what the Russian government raised up. If that is taking too long, they will just go ahead and use this protect account funds to sort it all out. So how AI marketing is running up for now, for those of us who had unspent advertising budget, how it's been running for us is that our unspent had moved into the advertising budget. So before the break, I used to have this outside of this $27 you have here, you see here. I used to have this as unspent. And so when they restarted my system, when they restarted my account, they just took the unspent because it's still in their own pocket. They took the unspent that I had previously and pushed it right back into my robot to start work. So for those of you who didn't have anything in your unspent, what you just need to do is to top up your account. Now, if you choose not to top up account, it's fine, okay? You would just need to be more patient to get your account running again, because some people might say they don't want to reinvest, they don't want to invest fresh money, they want to wait till they get all their previous cash back out before they kick back off, running their account. Well, that might take long, but for people who had some unspent before the break, just watch that work for you. Okay, now if you're new, if you're one of those who had nothing as unspent, what you just need to do is stop back up, because everything is back up running smoothly. Trust me, I'm going to show you this briefly. Okay, I've watched my account for weeks now, taking screenshots, looking at it, and looking at how sales is going on. And truth is that I have seen that things are working as fine as ever as they used to. And then you can see sales coming in. Today's date, see, I have cashback coming in. Look at, you can just, I could show you my sales all through from August, when the restart happened, up until now. So now let me also show you my statistics. Here we go. Now look at my statistics. My robot has spent $231 from this advertising budget, and I already have made almost double of that. Okay, $410. So guys, things are back up running smoothly. Okay, so I hope this video answers your question about your previous cashback, and I do hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.